And good morning, Facebook. Welcome to another Simply Diagnostics video from the SimplyDiag.net community hub in sunny Cheshire. It's not bright, it's not sunny, but we're still struggling on with our shorts. So, still a shorts day today, and we're going to make the best of it. Not many days like this left, I don't think. Winter is coming. So, yesterday, I had an awesome ride along yesterday with George. Fellow master technician, SEAT master technician, independent tech topics trained master technician. We had an awesome day yesterday, and luckily enough it was a bag group day, so we had loads of Volkswagen group cars with faults in yesterday. We were using the dealer tool, having a look around. Morning Jason, how are you, mate? Happy hump day. Yeah, we had a really good day, really good ride along day yesterday, focusing on process, stuff like that. George is going for, I think it's the quarterfinals, the top technician, so he wanted just to hone his process a little bit. Morning Stephen, morning Keith. So we went through that, worked through the process, and we had a really good fun day. Best thing about what I do is the ride along days. Morning John, how are you, mate? Evening to you, yeah, good day. Yeah, I really do love the ride along days. So if you remember SimplyDiag.net, get one book, get it on the calendar. Pin post in the membership benefits section. Absolutely awesome. Anyway, if it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it's your birthday yesterday, happy birthday. If it's your birthday tomorrow, happy birthday. Have an awesome hump day. Thanks for watching.